Man, what do you think we're doing out here, man? Just taking in the views? Nah, man, we're getting made. What's up, anglers? Thanks for smashing that play button. Welcome to the channel. My name is Mike. This is Trout Made Angler Company, and we are Sierra bound. This series continues. We're Sierra bound. Today we are at Gull Lake. We decided to rent a boat. Shout out to Claire over there at the Gull Lake Boat Rentals General Store. Took real good care of us, and they stocked Thursday, so we decided not to hike today. Yesterday's hike kind of kicked our ass, but today we were at Gull Lake and we're about to get on it, anglers. So we're gonna get going, get casting, and I hope you enjoyed this adventure, man. We appreciate it. I appreciate you smashing that play button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We'll catch you later. Let's get made. All right, anglers, today, this morning, we are using our Phenix Mirage, our 7.7 with the Shimano Stradic CI4 Plus. And again, we're gonna be starting off, you know, with a good color here in the Sierra. Always great, something dark, natural. We're gonna be starting off with this black, has some green and gold flake, man. You know, a little motivation in the morning. That's what we need right here. Got one. We're on. We're on, baby. We're on. Yeah. It's a small little perch. It's a small freaking perch. Oh, hey. I think there's a lot of it on this side. If we keep killing the perch, babe, we're gonna have to move. Man, look at those weeds, anglers. These weeds have grown feet in a matter of weeks. The last time we were here, we were smacking on dry flies and they weren't nearly as tall. Pretty crazy, man, how just the summer and just things just grow. Got something. Little, oh, it's a trout. It's a trout. Trout. Hey, now the skunk is off. On another trout, I believe. Yep. Little decent. Better. Oh no. Jeez. Really, man? Really, man? Get out of there, little duck. All right, we're on again, anglers. Who knows what it is? It was pulling back a little bit. Oh, nice little trout. Woo! Nice little trout. All right. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger on that motivation, man. On that motivation. Woo! Came right off. Little black mini jig, gold and green flake. Nice little rainbow. New spot. Oh. 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 Man, this is the biggest one today. Not a trout. This is a not a trout video. Brought to you by Not Trout Made Angler Company. Got something. That might be a little trizzy trout.
Any words for the people?
Man, what is it this time? What is it this time? Let's guess. Oh, it's pulling a little bit. Nope, not a trout. Not a trout. Natural little brown color though is working. It's not a trout. All right, babe is on. Great job. Nice hook set. Yeah, first cast, new spot. Oh, it's a nice. Oh no, that's a big slab, babe. That's not even a trout. That's not a trout. That's the biggest one today. Wow. Wow, that's a big one. I had a rod just sitting there dead sticking with this mini jig, and it almost took it in. Woo! Oh, I think that's a trout. I think that's a trout, anglers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice trout. Nice trout. Where's the net? Oh, shoot. Oh, he's beat up, but he's nice. We can take him. Yes. 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 See ya. Cool. Well, they're deep. They're deep. We're getting them. We're getting them. So anglers, one of the reasons brown is a good color in the Sierra, it mimics night crawlers. You know what I mean? A little sparkle on there and they're bound to hit it. There was a night crawler just sitting there. I don't know if it was suspended, but my knowledge, it was on the bottom. We're gonna cast out again and try to get another one. So that means they're deep and they're really, really finicky, because that was on the dead stick, wasn't moving. And might just need to leave it there, babe, and just pop it every now and then. On again. Maybe. Yep. Small little trout, but we'll take them. We found the school. All right. Seriously, just straight dead sticking this freaking mini jig down here, man. All right, Babe's on her first trout. We have identified it, and we're gonna net it here in a second. Nice, babe. How's it feel?
Good.
Awesome. On a white mini jig, huh?
Yep.
Awesome. Bring them up. I'm ready when you are. Bring them up. Yeah. Nice, babe. Nice. Nice. Nice little triz out. Right on. Right on. There's the mini jig. It came off. The lead's in there. Let's get the lead out and we'll get Babe to release him. Seriously, we are just straight up dead sticking our mini jigs, probably about 30-35 feet. My guesstimations, that's like literally what we are doing, anglers, to get on these trout here at Gull Lake. It's summertime, it's hot, it's humid, they're deep, and they're picky as all heck, you know? But somehow we figured it out. Somehow, I don't know, getting made. It's the anniversary weekend, you know, trout gods are upon us, man. Trout gods are upon us. What else can I say? I'm on, anglers. Who knows what it is in these parts, but we've been getting on trout. And could be a small trout, could be one of these Sacramento Perch we've been catching all day. And what do you know? It's a little trizzy trout. It's a little trizzy trout. Where's the net, babe? Toss me the net. All right. Determination, anglers. Determination is what gets you freaking bit. That's the only thing that gets you bit, is getting out there, getting in the water, and staying determined, man. Let's see if he goes. Peace out, little wild one. You got made, anglers. I don't know, I was just saying on the GoPro, it's anniversary weekend, and who knows, man, maybe the trout gods are with us, so thank you, trout gods. Thank you. All right, anglers, that's gonna do it for us here at Gull Lake. Man, it was a tough bite, man, but we had a good time. A lot of perch, a lot of not trouts, but we did get some trout, anglers. We got some trout using various colors of mini jigs. You know, more importantly, man, it's the anniversary. We celebrated, we had fun. Me and my fiance, wifey, my girl, my bae, we laughed and just clowned on each other like we do. And you know, that's all I can ask for, is to get on some fish, any kind of fish, and have some fun with my girl. And be out here on Gull Lake, man. It's beautiful, but the storm is coming in. You can see it behind me, man. It's coming in, and though we have our rain gear and don't really want to mess with it. Again, shout out to Claire over at Gull Lake Marina, the store, the boat rentals. Man, this was $65 all day, man. We're cutting it early too, you know. So the rain's coming, we're gonna go eat lunch, take a break, and until next time, this is Mike, Trout Made Angler Company. Thanks for smashing that play button. If you're digging the content, subscribe, and we got more of that trout fishing action right here, Sierra bound, baby. My name is Mike, I'm out.